Hi everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a plan with me for the week of the 18th through to the 24th of March, and today is Monday the 18th. I'm going to be using another sampler from Nati Planning. You guys are probably getting tired of seeing these, but I am really enjoying them. They're perfect for my week on 2 page in my pocket size. They have pretty much all the essentials I need. I don't need to pull in too many other stickers, so they're saving me a lot of time. Plus they make my spreads look all beautiful and pretty. So I'll show you last week's. So here it is. I used the Summer Chic kit, well, the sampler from Nati Planning. So exactly the same as this, but the Summer Chic design. Pulled in a couple of little skinny washi from Simply Gilded. I'm really enjoying these for the small spreads because I can use them to sort of divide my days, a bit like glitter headers. Another reason I want to use this kit is because this Saturday, one of my very best friends is having her baby shower. It's her first baby, and I'm really excited. I can't wait to see her. I haven't seen her in ages, like ridiculously long time, and a couple of my other friends will be there, so I'm excited. I'm going to be kid-free. I'm excited. So I thought this was perfect for a baby shower. How sweet. The little owls, and I just love the pink and the blue. It's just so soft and pretty and perfect for a little baby. She is having a girl. We already know that, so yeah, I'm going to get started. If you see some little black ants wandering around, you've probably seen them in past videos. Unfortunately, we live right next to bushland, and we had a big downpour of rain yesterday, so we have an influx of ants. And then, I mean, they're not harmful. They don't really cause any trouble. They're just a nuisance. So if you see that, that's what that is. So without further ado, let's get into the plan with me.